I chose Eastwood because great customer support, easy to find parts, great online website, great product.
I've been dealing with Eastwood for probably 10 years. I've had several products from Eastwood, never had a problem with them. Eastwood's just great all around, period, honestly.
Eastwood is convenient, it's easy to buy from, right? I go online, fill it out, bingo, it's there 2 days later. It's a beautiful thing.
I would recommend Eastwood to anybody as a friend, 100%.
I would definitely recommend Eastwood to any friend.